Opening scene. Engaging hook, movie camera, fast cuts of optical illusions, eye movements, and brain scans, studio microphone narrator. Excited tone. Did you know there's a dedicated part of your brain that helps you recognize colors, shapes, and even movement in an instant? It's like your brain's built-in graphics processor. Let's dive into the science behind it. Segment 1. Introduction to the visual cortex, studio microphone narrator. When you see an image, your brain doesn't just process everything at once. Instead, it breaks it down into tiny details, like edges, colors, and motion, before putting everything together. This happens in a special area of your brain called the primary visual cortex, or V1. Brain. Cut to an animated diagram of the brain, zooming into the back of the head, highlighting the occipital lobe and V1 region. Studio microphone narrator. Located in the occipital lobe at the back of your head, V1 is the very first stop for visual information coming from your eyes. It acts like a filter, sorting basic visual features before passing them along for more complex processing. Segment 2. What does V1 do? Studio microphone narrator. So, what exactly does V1 handle? Here are 3 key things. Keycap 1. Edges and lines. It detects contrast, helping you recognize shapes. Keycap 2. Colors. Different neurons respond to different wavelengths, allowing you to see colors. Keycap 3. Motion. It helps track movement, so you can see things in motion instead of a blurry mess. Eyes. Show an example of how different brain cells react to vertical versus horizontal lines, or an illusion demonstrating motion perception. Segment 3. Why is this important? Studio microphone narrator. This system is crucial for survival. Imagine trying to drive, play sports, or even recognize a face without your brain instantly processing these simple features. Without V1, your world would be a confusing blur, cut to black and white, pixelated, or blurry versions of images to simulate visual impairment. Segment 4. Fun fact. Can V1 be tricked? Studio microphone narrator. Here's something cool. Optical illusions can hack V1. Some illusions confuse how your brain detects motion or edges, proving that our perception isn't always accurate. Cyclone. Show famous optical illusions like the rotating snake illusion or the checker shadow illusion. Studio microphone narrator. So next time you see an illusion, remember, your V1 is working overtime. Closing scene. Call to action, studio microphone narrator. Want to learn more about how your brain processes the world? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing psychology and neuroscience facts. Bell sparkles. Thumbs up. Outro animation with a CTA to subscribe, like, and comment.